No. Did you see him healing to the gut?
Remember, don't jump on the board. You're about to jump off the ledge.
Casey, tell her
Oh,
out.
it is. Out. Out. Out.
All right, say no ma'am if she's not doing the right thing.
I'm kidding. I didn't really mean to do that, Dad. I'm big Dad.
Maybe we should turn the TV down.
Ouch. Ouch. Little girl.
Tell her yes.
Hey, what?
Yes.
Sit.
Sit. Sally.
I'm a cowboy burner.
Back from me, Sally.
Why am I walking so
Go get it.
fast?
Right in the football.
I'm a calorie burner. By going this far. I want to think.
Good child. Yes.
Ready to jump!
Sally, sit.
Oh
Sit.
God, I couldn't never sit on that far. Put your weight.
Sally, sit. Sit.